Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Statistics Learner. I hope you all like my video. In this video we will discuss about virtual function and pure virtual function. First, I am come to the virtual function in C++. A virtual function is a member function which is declared within base class and is redefined by derived class. When you refer to a derived class object using a pointer or a reference to the base class, you can call a virtual function for the object and execute the derived class version of the function. Virtual functions ensure that the correct function is called for an object regardless of the type of reference or pointer used for a function call. They are mainly used to achieve runtime polymorphism. Functions are declared with the virtual keyword in base class. The resolving of function call is done at runtime. Now I come to the topic rules for virtual function. When virtual functions are created for implementing late binding, we should observe some basic rules that satisfy the compiler requirements. The virtual function must be member of some class. They cannot be static members. They are accessed by using object pointer. A virtual function can be a friend of another class. We cannot have virtual constructor, but we can have virtual disruptor. A virtual function in a base class must be defined even though it may not be used. If a virtual function is defined in the base class, it need not be necessarily redefined in the derived class. In such cases, calls will invoke the base class. Now I come to the topic pure virtual function. A function virtual inside the base class and refine it in the derived classes. For example, we have not defined any object of class media and therefore the function displayed. The base class has been defined empty. Virtual void display is equal to 0. Now, pure virtual function and abstract class. Sometimes implementation of all function cannot be provided in a base class because we don't know the implementation. Such a class is called abstract class. A pure virtual function or abstract function in C++ in a virtual function for which we don't have implementation, we only declare it. A pure virtual function is declared by assigning 0 in declaration. Some important facts. A class is abstract if it has at least one pure virtual function. We can have pointers and reference of abstract class type. If we do not override the pure virtual function in derived class, then derived class also becomes abstract class. Now, difference between virtual and pure virtual function. Basis for comparisons are base, declaration, derived class. Difference between virtual function and pure virtual function on the basis of base is virtual function has their definition in the base class and pure virtual function has no definition in the base class. Difference between virtual function and pure virtual function on the basis of declaration is function name parameter list and virtual function name parameter list is equal to 0. Basis for comparison derived classes. Difference between virtual function and pure virtual function on the basis of derived class is all derived classes may or may not override the virtual function of the base class and all derived classes must override the virtual